guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been so long, like maybe almost a year I think, that I have not been vlogging. So today I'll be going to Delhi because one of my friend is staying with me. So she want to go out to see Delhi. Last week we also went to some places, but today we want to go to some other places. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys where are we going. So let's see the outfit check. So I'm wearing this shawl. I'm obsessed with this kind of shawl. Then I'm wearing white tops and then skirt, and that's all. So yeah, let's go. So I'm wearing this what do you call this one, slipper? And my friend is wearing Crocs. Hey guys, सो मैं यहाँ पे पुराना वाली क्लिप्स भी डाल रही हूँ जहाँ पे हम लोग गए थे कुतुब मीनार एंड रेड फोर्ट। तो यहाँ पे हमने प्लान किया कि हम मेट्रो से जाएंगे। तो यहाँ मेट्रो कुतुब मीनार मेट्रो स्टेशन में उतर गए थे और फिर वहाँ से ऑटो लेके कुतुब मीनार में गए। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, वहाँ पे कुतुब मीनार है और ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स है दोनों। तो गाइस आप यहाँ पे कुतुब मीनार का नज़ारा देख सकते हो। तो गाइस अगर आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कुतुब मीनार को, तो ये 5 स्टोरी का है और 3 राजाओं ने इनको बनाया है। पहला राजा कुतुब उद दीन ऐबक जो पहला स्टोरी बनाया, और उसके बाद शमसुद्दीन इल्तुतमिश जिसने 2, 3 और 4 स्टोरी बनाया, और उसके बाद फाइनल स्टोरी फिरोज़ शाह ने बनाया। अगर मैंने कुछ नाम गलत कह दिया होगा या फिर प्रोनाउंसिएशन यहाँ वहाँ हो गया तो माफ़ कर देना। तो हाँ गाइस, मैंने तो यही पढ़ा हुआ है। अगर आपको कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन है तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता दीजिए। तो यहाँ पे मैं ले रही थी अपने दोस्त का वीडियो, और उसके बाद हम गए दूसरे लोकेशन में जो है रेड फोर्ट। तो हम यहाँ से टैक्सी ले रहे थे और फिर उसके बाद हम आ गए रेड फोर्ट एंड यहाँ से पैदल चल के गए हम लोग। तो फिर उसके बाद पैदल चल के थोड़ी देर पैदल चल के यहाँ पे आ गए हम, और यहाँ पे लाइन लगा हुआ है क्योंकि आज संडे था तो बहुत लोग आ रहे थे देखने के लिए। सो या दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस एंड राइट आफ्टर द एंट्रेंस यू कैन सी देयर आर सो मेनी आइटम्स यू कैन बाय हियर। ये एक मार्केट है, छोटा सा मार्केट है ये। तो अगर आपने मेरा ये वीडियो अगर पहले बिगनिंग से देखा होगा तो आपने देखा मैंने एक शॉल पहना हुआ है, तो ये वो शॉल यहाँ से ही लिया हुआ। तो हाँ गाइस, आप अगर यहाँ उस साइड ये साइड में अगर देख सकते हो ये वाले बिल्डिंग, इसमें कैफ़ेज़ है। यहाँ पे आप खाना खा सकते हो। So guys, you can see there are some monkeys here. You can find a lot of monkeys here. So yeah, and then that is the Indian flag, and you can see how beautiful Red Fort is. And yeah, that's all guys. We just roam around for some time and we thought we'll be going to the next location, but then my friend was so tired so we went back home. So that's all. So guys, now back to the present video. Here I'm showing you, this is my nails I just applied. This is a fake nails guys. So yeah guys, we came here. This is the Lotus Temple, and here there's a lot of people because today is weekend and then so many people came to visit. So yeah, there's a lot of people here, and yeah, we enter and then you can see so much greenery here. and there's a lot of people, and that is my friend. Today only two of us came, and because last time we were like three, and then that one friend of ours, she is not like us. We can roam a lot, but she feel tired so easily, so that's why today we decided to go only two of us. So yeah, that's all, guys. We just roam around here for some time, and then after that we were so tired because the sun was so hot, and then we went out and we were checking some stuff here, some dolls, and my friend was buying some dolls for her nephews. And then we came here to the next location, that is CP Rajiv Chowk, and you can call it like Connaught Place. I don't know whether I pronounce the place name correct or not. Yeah, and here you can see a lot of stuff. We were buying some keychains, and we were checking some anime characters statue. Yeah, that is Ronaldo. And then we went to the next place, that is H&M. This is H&M store, and yeah, you can see there's a lot of people here. You can see they are clicking photos, taking videos, because the view is so nice here. And yeah, even I took a lot of photos and videos for my friend here. And yeah, from there we enter, you can see this is the H&M store, and there was not so much collection, so we didn't buy anything. We just take some videos and then we went out. So after H&M we went to this Miniso store. Every time when there is a Miniso store in that location, I always used to enter this Miniso, because in Miniso you will get a lot of cute stuff. So yeah, I like to buy cute stuff, cute diaries. Most of my diaries I used to buy from Miniso. So yeah, there is a lot of stuff that is so cute. So yeah, after a long day we went to this cafe that is called Hawker's Cafe, and then we ate our dinner there. And yeah, guys, you can see the interior, and that is me. And yeah, there is a lot of people here, so I'll show you what we ordered here. So we ordered this fried rice. This is chili garlic fried rice, chicken. And then we ordered french fry. And I thought this fried rice is not that much nice, because Indian fried rice is not nice usually. But then when we got the fried rice and then we eat, oh my god, the fried rice was so nice. So yeah, and then we ordered this chicken tikka, and I ordered this cocktail, and for my friend she ordered mojito. And then guys, after we had our dinner, we take this auto, and then we went to India Gate. And when we reached there, so we had to walk a lot to the entrance, because we thought the entrance was from this side, but when we reached at the end, it was not the entrance. So we walked and walked and walked, and then we found the entrance after asking to so many people. So yeah, here we just walk around, and then we took some photos and videos. And then after reaching the entrance, we just take some rest. We just sit on the ground here, and yeah, we were so tired, and because the weather was so hot that day, so humid. So yeah, we were sweating so much. And then yeah, we were just sitting for some time here because we were so tired. And here I'm taking my friend's video, because she's lining down her doll and taking their videos. So after that, we just roam around here for some time, and then we went to the front of the India Gate. And after that, I took a lot of photos for my friend again. And yeah, because I was taking her photo, I totally forget to take the view of the front side of this India Gate. And yeah guys, that's all. We just went back, we took a cab and just went back to Noida. And yeah, we had a very long day, and yeah, it was so much fun. So that's all. Hey everyone, so welcome back. We just reached home now, and yeah, I just took a shower because it was so hot and we were sweating like anything. So yeah, and we are just relaxing now. So I just want to show you what I bought. So I bought this cup from Miniso. I wanted a new coffee cup. Yeah, I used to drink coffee every day, so yeah, I bought this cup. This is for like 230. And yeah, I bought this kurumi. This is for my sister. I'll send it home. I'll show you inside. My sister loves this kind of thing. So yeah, it's like this. It's so heavy. And I just bought this one. We were just looking some gift items. My friend was checking some dolls from one store, so I thought she wouldn't buy anything because she was looking, and then she was trying to call her siblings at home, but they didn't pick up at that time. So I thought maybe she won't buy. We were checking for so long time in that shop, so I just thought, let me just take this one. This is only for like 50 rupees. So yeah, I thought maybe she won't buy anything, so we were checking. So I feel shy if we didn't take anything from that shop, then it will be just a waste of time for that shopkeeper. So yeah, I just bought this one. But then after some time, she bought a lot of dolls from there. So yeah. And what else? Oh, okay, so I bought this perfume for myself. This is for like 590. It is also from Miniso. Even that kurumi, I also bought it from Miniso. So yeah, let me check inside. Apply fake nails. It's already coming out. So yeah guys, this is my perfume. It's called Romantic Verse. This smells, when I was like in Shillong, I used to do this Oriflame. There was some perfume. It was in pink color. I forget the name. It smells just like that Oriflame perfume. So yeah, I really like that perfume. That's why I just bought it today. This one smells just like that perfume. So yeah guys, this is for me. Yeah, that's all. So that's all what I bought from there. So this is the end of the video guys. So see you next time. Bye bye.